In a land where beasts of all kinds roamed freely, a bull named Bruno and a goat named Gavin lived in the same region. They were unlikely friends, their size and nature vastly different, but their friendship was unmatched. Gavin admired Bruno's strength, and Bruno was fond of Gavin's wit. They often spent time together, sharing stories of their adventures and dreams. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm orange glow over the landscape, danger lurked nearby. A ferocious lion named Leo had been on the prowl, his hunger driving him to seek his next meal. Bruno, being one of the largest and strongest animals in the area, became Leo's target. Terrified for his life, Bruno raced across the open plain, his heart pounding like a drum. He knew he needed a safe haven, a place to hide from the lion's relentless pursuit. His hooves thundered as he approached a cave, the entrance framed by rugged rocks. Unbeknownst to Bruno, the cave had been recently occupied by Gavin and a few shepherds who sought shelter from the rain. When Bruno barged into the cave, panting and afraid, Gavin was taken by surprise. Startled, Gavin's first instinct was to defend his territory. With a fierce determination, Gavin charged at Bruno, his horns lowered threateningly. Bruno, startled by this sudden assault from his friend, was quick to speak, his voice steady despite his fear. "Butt away as much as you will," Bruno said, his deep voice resonating through the cave. "I have no fear of you, but of the lion. Let that monster go away, and I will soon let you know what the respective strength of a goat and a bull is." Gavin paused, his eyes meeting Bruno's. He saw the genuine fear in his friend's eyes and sensed the sincerity in his words. Reluctantly, Gavin lowered his horns and took a step back. The two friends locked eyes, a silent understanding passing between them. Meanwhile, Leo the lion had not given up his pursuit. His powerful paws carried him closer to the cave, his nostrils flaring as he caught Bruno's scent. Just as Leo was about to enter the cave, Gavin emerged, his head held high. "Gavin, what are you doing?" Leo growled, surprised to see the goat standing before him. Gavin's voice was steady as he addressed the lion. "Leo, my friend Bruno is not your prey. He sought refuge here from your pursuit. As long as he's in this cave, he's under my protection." Leo's eyes narrowed, and for a moment tension hung heavy in the air. But after a long, contemplative pause, Leo finally turned and disappeared into the darkness, his growls fading into the distance. With Leo gone, Gavin turned back to Bruno. "You're safe now, my friend," Gavin said with a reassuring smile. Moved by Gavin's bravery and loyalty, Bruno dipped his massive head in gratitude. "Thank you, Gavin. Your courage and friendship saved my life." From that day on, the bond between the bull and the goat grew even stronger. They stood as a testament to the power of friendship, proving that even in the face of fear and misunderstanding, true allies would always come to each other's aid. And as the sun rose over the horizon, it illuminated not just a landscape, but the unbreakable spirit of two friends who stood together against all odds. The story of the bull and the goat reminds us that true friendship knows no boundaries, and even in the face of adversity, courage and loyalty prevail.